Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Gore-Tex Patch is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any outdoor enthusiast looking to extend the life of their waterproof gear, offering a quick and reliable solution for repairing tears, punctures, or worn-out areas on jackets, pants, and other apparel, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable no matter the conditions. Number 5. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Nylon Fabric Gear Repair Tape. Introducing an ultra-strong, peel-and-stick repair tape designed to fix rips and holes fast. No heat or sewing is required, making repairs quick and easy. This tape is ideal for use on a variety of outdoor gear like tents, tarps, and jackets. Its aggressive adhesive bonds permanently to synthetic materials, ensuring a lasting fix. Enjoy a washable and waterproof repair that won't peel off over time. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep your gear protected. Choose from a range of colors and fabric types, including nylon, ripstop, and clear vinyl. Find the perfect match for a nearly invisible repair on your gear. Simply apply it to almost anything that needs a quick fix. It's the perfect solution for extending the life of your favorite outdoor equipment. What we like. This tape offers an ultra-strong, peel-and-stick solution for quick repairs. Its waterproof coating ensures a lasting bond without heat or sewing. If you need to fix tears on a variety of outdoor gear like tents, jackets, or vinyl furniture, this is a reliable choice. What people say. The patch is easy to apply and adheres well to waterproof fabrics. It effectively seals small tears and holes, restoring the garment's waterproof capabilities. The patch is durable and withstands washing and wear. Number 4. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Mini Patches. Don't let a small hole ruin your adventure. These patches are designed to quickly and easily fix rips in your outdoor gear. Our ultra-strong adhesive tape permanently bonds to most outdoor fabrics, including nylon, polyester, and Gore-Tex. It's also waterproof, ensuring a lasting repair. Simply cut to size and apply to clean surfaces on puffy coats, tents, sleeping bags, or rain gear. They're perfect for on-the-go fixes. Choose from black, clear, or a combination to match your gear. These patches provide a nearly invisible repair that won't peel off, even after washing. Our mission is to help you reuse and renew your outdoor equipment. These patches are a simple way to extend the life of your favorite gear. Whether you're camping, hiking, or skiing, these patches are an essential tool for keeping your gear in top condition. What we like. These mini patches provide a convenient, peel-and-stick repair for smaller holes and tears. They feature a waterproof coating and come in various colors for discreet or stylish fixes. If you're looking for quick, easy repairs on items like down jackets, tents, or rain gear, these are perfect. What people say. Applies easily, and so far has held perfectly without any edges starting to peel up or fray. The clear patch is really clear, and it meshes with the material and becomes part of it. The edges of the patch you can't even peel, or feel. You can't even tell it's there. Black definitely looked better overall. Clear was too noticeable and does not meld to the fabric as well. It's a harder plastic like tape, stiffer and more noticeable than the black. I actually used clear first. I thought clear would work better on my black puffer jacket since my jacket is semi-glossy, but black blended in way better and more fabric-like. Number 3. Waterproof Repair Patch Kit. Don't let a small tear ruin your adventure. Our Repair Patch Kit offers a fast and simple solution for your outdoor gear. Get back to your activities in no time. This kit provides a 30-second fix, so you can continue enjoying the outdoors without interruption. Built to withstand the elements, these patches are waterproof after just 1 hour and made from durable ripstop nylon. They are also wash-safe once the adhesive cures. Perfect for a variety of items, including down jackets, tents, sleeping bags, and backpacks. Keep your essential gear in top condition. We care about the planet as much as you do. Our product comes in eco-friendly, compostable packaging, and includes an instruction card printed on recycled stock. This kit includes a variety of pre-cut round and oval patches to fit different sizes of tears and rips, ensuring a perfect fit every time. What we like. Get your gear fixed in just 30 seconds with these pre-cut, self-adhesive patches. Made from durable nylon ripstop, they offer a waterproof repair after a short curing time. If you prioritize speed, convenience, and eco-friendly packaging for your outdoor equipment, this kit is ideal. What people say. These self-adhesive patches are a godsend for anyone who's faced with a tear or puncture in their down jacket. The ease of use is unmatched. Simply peel off the backing, apply the patch over the damaged area, and press firmly to ensure a secure bond. Within minutes, my jacket was as good as new, with no sign of the previous damage. Once applied, they stay put, providing a reliable and long-lasting solution to any repair needs. Whether I'm braving the elements on a hike or simply running errands around town, I have complete peace of mind knowing that my jacket is protected. They have saved me from having to ditch this favorite jacket by patching holes and rips. The ones from last year are still holding strong, so they are durable. They are very easy to use and very durable. Number 2. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Repair Patches. Fix rips, holes, and tears fast with these peel and stick patches. No sewing, ironing, or heat is needed for an instant repair. Our strong adhesive stays put on synthetic fabrics like nylon, polyester, vinyl, and Gore-Tex. It's designed for durability and won't lift. These patches are backed with a permanent adhesive that won't peel or lift, even after repeated wash cycles. They are built to last. Cover damage or stains while adding style to your gear. These pre-cut patches come in assorted shapes and sizes for a unique look. Our products are built to patch, clean, and renew your gear. We help you preserve your equipment so you can adventure longer. What we like. These patches offer instant, peel and stick repairs without any extra tools. They are washable and durable, ensuring a long-lasting fix on synthetic fabrics. If you want to not only repair your gear but also add a touch of style to jackets, packs, or outerwear, these functional and fun patches are a great option. What people say. These are a great option to patch items that can't be sewn. Very easy to use and very sticky. I have rough and tumbling boys, the patches hold up to all their activities. Works as advertised. Covers a 3/4 long gash on the sleeve of an REI down jacket. No problems with the adhesive loosening up after a month. This tape has been very useful to repair jackets and other clothing. It's easy to apply and holds very well. Number 1. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Mesh Patches. Fix rips and tears on your tent or bug screens instantly. No heat or sewing is required for a quick and easy repair. Simply peel off the backing and apply pressure to these round mesh patches. They adhere strongly to all types of screens and synthetic fabrics. Take this lightweight mesh repair kit on any adventure. It's an essential addition to any gear box, with 2 patches included per pack. These patches are ideal for a variety of outdoor screens. Use them to fix bug netting, tent mesh, and even RV awning or sunshade fabric. Gear Aid products help you repair your gear and head out on adventures with confidence. Our mission is preservation and renewal, making your outdoor experiences better. What we like. Specifically designed for screens, this mesh tape instantly repairs rips and tears in tent mesh, bug netting, and more. It's a simple peel and stick application that adheres to synthetic fabrics. If you're an avid camper or outdoor enthusiast who frequently deals with damaged screens, this lightweight kit is a must-have for your gearbox. What people say. Easy to apply and does an excellent job keeping the bugs outside. This mesh adhesive patch does exactly what it was intended to do. It has exceeded my expectations as far as adhesion goes. I purchased it to patch a hole in a tent screen. I patched it nearly 2 years ago and it still is on today after many rainy nights. Really simple to use, and can be done by one person. Like the fact the adhesive is only on the edge, so airflow is still maintained as much as possible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.